Hello, we are on Unit 2, Week 1, Day 1. We have already learned all of our letters and our letter sounds, so we're just going to review our vowels and some of the consonants. We're first using the large sound cards, then we will be using the standard sound cards, and lastly, the vowel extension. Okay? So what I'm first going to do is give you the letter, the keyword and sounds, and then you will echo. Okay, let's go. A, apple, a. Now you echo. E, ed, e. Now you echo. I, itch, it. Now you echo. O, octopus, ah. Now you echo. U, up, now you echo. P, bat, b. Now you echo. F, fun, f. Now you echo. G, gain, g. Now you echo. M, man, m. Now you echo. Great job. Now we are going to go to our standard sound cards and do the same thing. I will say the letter, the keyword, and sounds, and you will repeat. Ready? A, apple, a. Now you echo. B, bat, b. Now you echo. G, gain, g. Now you echo. E, ed, e. Now you echo. O, octopus, now you echo. I, itch, I. Now you echo. U, up, now you echo. F, fun, f. Now you echo. M, man, m. Now you echo. Good job. Now, you'll see a video of the vowel extension and you go ahead and you practice it. Good luck.